My Stitch Fix bundle made it. I have to tell you, there was a little story behind this, just a little story, quick story. It had shipped right when we left for vacation. I called customer service. They were excellent to work with, as always, and she redirected it to a FedEx location, and it's actually like 2 minutes from my house, which worked out great, but it kept showing up as not being delivered. And I'm like, okay, this is crazy. I've been gone 10 days. It should have been delivered by now. So I went to the FedEx location. Of course, they had it. Someone just didn't log it in. So here it is. I did request more of the fall type items, but I'll tell you what, this girl, I love fall, but as long as it's hot and it's sunny and it's warm and I can wear shorts and flip-flops, I am a happy girl because I am not rushing it at all, because once fall hits, then the winter hits, and that is really hard on me. I don't like the cold. Do you guys like the cold? Okay, anyways, so did I introduce myself? Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am so happy that you're here. And if you're returning, of course, I always like to see my girlfriends. Okay, I can't see you, but I like your comments. So we can chit chat back and forth. But anyways, I know you want to see the Stitch Fix items. I'm going to show them to you real quick, and then I'll do a try on, because what is today? Today is Thursday, September, I don't know, I think it's the 15th. I think that's what the date is today. And I am going to Homerama and see what neat new stuff they have out there. So I want to get this filmed. I want to set it, get it up by Sunday, hopefully, because I haven't had a video in over 2 weeks. But I have some nice. I have some videos coming up. Haven't filmed them yet. I've got one that is 3 boxes. Oh, look at this. 3 different boxes that I'm going to open. That's cute. I did pick this. Actually, she sent me, you know, I think, isn't it 10 items that they send you and you pick 5 or less and they'll, you know, send them to you. And if you pick less than 5, then the stylist will fill it with, you know, she'll pick the other items. But I rejected all of the first selection, and I put in a note as to why I'd rejected all those items. And then the next ones that she sent me, I loved all of them. So that's what's in this box, is every single item that she replaced them with. This is pretty. I forget what I was telling y'all last time. I was just chatting away. I don't even know. It is hot. Oh, fall. I do not want fall. I like the hot, the AC's on. I'm in Ohio and Cincinnati, and I'm just not ready. As long as it's hot, I am not ready for fall. I know fall starts, what, September 22nd? But if it's still hot, you are not gonna see any pumpkins here. You're not gonna see any fall anything around here. I am hanging on to summer. This is cute. This is heavy. It's black. It looks like 3/4 sleeves. It's a sweater material. Oh, I like the neckline on it, the square neckline. It looks a little lower in the back, so we'll see how that fits. That's cute. Okay. This next item I was a little, I don't know about, but it looked cute on the model, so we'll see. It's different than anything I have. So it's a cardigan, but it's a long cardigan. It's almost a, maybe I could wear it as a dress. I never thought of that. We have a fundraising event to go to for cancer-free kids at the end of the month. I don't know. Although it might not fit this booty, so I don't know. That's cute. Was I telling you about the boxes I have? I think I was. I have 3 boxes. You know, I've kind of given up on a lot, for at least for the summer, all the subscription boxes, the ones that are gifted to me for review and the ones that I paid for. Well, 2 of them are back, and then there's a brand new one I'm so excited about. It's gonna be here tomorrow, and then I'll be able to film them. So you'll see those sometime next week. Pair of jeans, Bootcut. Brand, are these the, oh, Democracy Absolution. You guys know how I feel, how I can say that. These feel heavy. I have a pair of lightweight ones. These are heavy. I I lost, before my foot surgery this year, I had lost about 7 pounds, was able to keep off like 7 to 8 pounds before my surgery. Well, I've put like half of it back on, and I am struggling because it is like sitting in this belly. So I'm trying to get back to it. These are heavy. These are like winter, freezing cold weather. Liverpool heavy, like these are so heavy. They're distressed. Like, I will burn up in these, even in the winter. High-rise flare. All right. Oh, you know what? I have a price sheet. Not gonna look at that. And a style sheet. And a note from my stylist, Melissa. And if you're new to Stitch Fix, the styling fee is $20. You get a prepaid envelope to anything you want, don't want. You want to put it in the envelope, take it to the post office or give it to your postal worker. But I like to take it to the post office and get a receipt, because if you don't get a receipt and they don't get your stuff, they're going to bill you for all that stuff. Yeah, it's not worth a chance for me. But it's to tell you it's $20 styling fee. If you use my referral link, we both of us, you and me, we get a $25 credit. That's always nice. Styling fee $20, but I have the styling pass, so which is $49 a year. So the boxes that come to me don't cost me anything. Shipping to you and returns are all free. And so I can afford to be picky because these boxes are not costing me anything. And plus I am picky because if I don't, you know, for the price, if I don't love it, this girl's not keeping it because I'm paying for these out of my own pocket. So let's get to the try on. Okay, they're quite a bit long. The crotch is too long for me. It's really long. These are the Liverpool. They're just way too long in the crotch, and they're very tight in the legs. These are called the Liverpool Hannah High Rise Flare in Indigo. Love the style of these, but as you can see, I mean, I have heels on, and these are just way too long. They have the really thick hem on the bottom, which I like. They're just really tight. I mean, I like the style, but the high waist feels pretty good, but this crotch is just too long. Too long. These are $109, and I am wearing a size 8. Okay, let's talk about this top. This top is by Threads for Thought. I've never heard of Threads for Thought. It's more like it feels like a sweater. It has the slit on the side, on each side. I like the square neck in the front, but I'm not crazy about it in the back. Because in the winter, that's too cold for me. That's, yeah, I would be caught. Like, it's uncomfortable. It's cute. It's, how much is it? $43.99. It is machine washable. So this is twisted. It's black. I'm wearing a size small. It's called the Rosalinda square neck. I mean, it's, I think it's 95% modal and 5% spandex. I mean, I like the feel of it, but the back is a no for me. Now, I don't know if you guys can notice this, but I noticed as soon as I put this on, I have these really weird suntan lines on my chest, and they might not be coming through on camera, but this is the bathing suit I wore for 10 days in Myrtle Beach, and it has these holes in it. Even though I put sunscreen underneath, I mean, when you're standing in the water for 2 hours with 2 little ones, you're bound to probably get something. So, oh, it looks like it's faded since then, but anyways, so both of these items are going to be a no, but I do like the style of the jeans, and for $109, I'm not going to hem them for one thing, and I'm not going to buy them because the crotch is too long for me, and for reference, I'm 5'3". So let's try on something else. I like this sweater. I really like it. Okay, let me show you the whole outfit around. The sweater cannot be worn as a dress for this girl because there's a slit pretty high on both sides. And it's pretty thin. Okay, let me give you a close-up. This is really cute. I like the black detail on it. It is thinner, so I tucked in the back of my shirt so you didn't see it bunch up in the back. What is this one? This is by 41 Hawthorn. I'm wearing a size small. It's $48. And let's see, it's called the Gracie Long Line Button Cardigan. And I could button it all the way, but I would never wear it all the way buttoned. I don't think I would, because I think it's gonna pull on my hips. But this is really cute. I'm thinking about keeping this, $48. I'll get a lot of wear out of this one. For me, I might just wear it with one button, put a pair of dress black slacks on underneath it, any type of cami shirt underneath it. It's gonna be really cute, and it's not too warm. So I really like this, but this one, I think I'm gonna have to exchange it for a different one because there's something that smells. It's kind of like a musty smell. Oh, this is machine washable. Machine washable. And I don't know if it's the cardigan or if it's the shirt that I have on. So I'll have to see because when I was sitting down looking over to see what these were, I was like, what is that smell? So it's something I have on right now. But this is really cute. What do you guys think? Here's the buttons close up. I kind of like it. $48. I like it. I'll get a lot of use out of it. I think this is going to be a keeper. Okay, let's talk about this shirt. I can't tell. So weird. Okay, the shirt is by 41 Hawthorn, and I did not write down what style it is, but it's $58. $58, no thank you. I mean, I like it, but it's such a simple shirt that I can get this similar item for less than $58. Yeah. So even though I like it, it's nice. I like the length of the sleeves, the square neck. I just don't want to pay $58 for it. Let me show you close up. It's got some, like, see the detail in it? It's cute. I mean, it's cute. I do like it, but I don't like it for $58. Now, if Stitch Fix wanted to give it to me, I'd be very happy to take it and wear it and enjoy it. Okay, let's talk about these jeans. Oh my God, love these jeans. Love, love, love these jeans. These are Democracy. These are the Kathryn High Rise Boot Cut, Itty Bitty Boot Cut. They're the Absolution, so they've got the stretch in the waist, which I love. They're a little long. I'm kind of surprised at how long they are because I own these and I'm very happy to add another pair to my wardrobe. But I don't understand the length on these. So I'm gonna see if I can exchange them for a petite, and if not, because they're $78, I might just wait and send them back and look for a pair that's on when they go on sale, and then I have the extra money to have them altered because it's not something I need right away. So my thought process is price, fit, price. Do I need it? Does it need to be altered? How much is that going to be? So do I, that's where I'm at. All right, I'm going to show you those other jeans close up. Hold on. It must be the sweater that has the scent to it, the odor to it, because I don't smell it with it all. So I think it's this. So I'm going to exchange it because I'm going to keep that. The sweater, the black sweater, of course, I'm going to return that because of the back's too low. The Absolution, the Democracy, I love these jeans. If you have a waistline that kind of expands and and you need that extra something, these they never gap on me. Never gap. Love them. Okay, I might keep them and get them altered. I don't know. Hopefully they have a petite. All right, the Liverpool, these are so thick. Mine are a lot thinner. So the ones that I have on are really good for going into fall and spring. These are so thick. Look at the hem, the bottom. I like this style. It's coming back. It's like in the 70s I used to wear to school, but they were a little wider leg. But I like these. Unfortunately, they don't fit. So that's it. What do you guys think? My next box, my next video will have, like I said, 3 boxes that I'll be opening and sharing with you guys that I'm really, really excited about. And then just a little chit chat, catch up on what's been going on. So I'll share that with you. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please follow me there. I like to post more on the personal side than the channel, but I do post channel things like, hey, I'm posting a video, check it out, you know, things like that. But I try to keep it mostly on more of a personal side. So if you like that kind of content, there you go. So that's it. So I hope you guys, I lost my train of thought again. COVID brain or senior brain. What do they call it? I forget. You know what it is? I'm just trying to get out the door. That's what it is, to go to Home-A-Rama. So anyways, everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. This is really cute. I might have to rethink keeping this, even for $58. I don't know. I'm gonna think about that. Bye everyone. See you at the next video.